welcome back to All Sorts. We're gonna... Oh, welcome back to All Sorts. This is Phil Billy. I'm Josh. We're gonna do a morphine drip, and here's how you do it. It's butterscotch schnapps. Hopefully I don't spill this shit everywhere, like I have been. It's half. This shit smells awesome.
50-50.
I don't really like butterscotch candies, dude, but this shit smells
Yeah,
great.
dude. I'm like an old person. I'll fuck up a butterscotch.
Hell yeah. And then amaretto. Almost to the top. And I couldn't remember how you made it, so I looked it up. And I don't remember doing this before, but it says it had rum. It's a tiny, tiny bit. So we'll do it.
You're supposed to light this on fire according to the website,
We ain't doing that. Fuck all
but we'd
that.
have to turn the lights out for you to be able to see it. So when you light alcohol on fire, if it's bright, you won't even know it's on fire.
That's it, dude. You don't cheers me or nothing?
I'm a sniffing.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby. That is good.
It's fucking awesome, right? It's very good.
Oh, dude, that is so good.
Tastes like candy.
Yeah.
Butterscotch candy.
You like a butterscotch? I got one in my purse.
Try one at home, dude. I have another one
Yeah, that's good.
after.
Yeah, I could drink those all night. Well, it's sweet, spitty slurpy, you know what I mean? But that's a good fucking shot. It reminds me kind of a little bit. I think we used to call them slippery nipples. It was butterscotch schnapps and Bailey's mixed together.
I don't like cream liqueurs. They can fuck
I
themselves.
love cream liqueurs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good shot though.
Get out of here.
What's it called again? Morphine drip.
Morphine drip.
It's because you could put that right in the veins.
It's awesome. Tastes just like them yellow fucking candies, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really good.
Yep.
That's a morphine drip. We'll see y'all later.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.